Morning you fellow everyone. Glad me save make him preach him long morning yeah. Tell him out good news from Jesus Christ. Long vassen we internet. Sermon long morning yeah and we come long Proveb chapter 4 and me next sermon long series long or Proveb when we start them sometime last year. Now you may read him long chapter 4 verse 1 custom end long chapter. Old Proverb chapter 4 verse 1. Pikinini blong me papa blong you. Or you must listen good, long all something we me stop teach him long you long him. Suppose you listen good all sem, bamba you save got wise. All something we me stop tell him long you, or he good to mas. Or you know must stand and backside long geta. Mimi wan pikinini no more, the papa mo mama blong me, to valley born him. More time, me small, papa blong me, stop teaching me. And me tell him long me say, Pikinini blong me, all something we me stop tell him long you. Bamba, you know must forget him or get her sometime. Or all time, you must think about or get her. Suppose you stop make him or something all time. Bamba, you got life. You must cuss and wise talk. Or you must come when you look save meaning blong or hard something. You know must block him sorry blong you, but you know must forget him or something when me stop tell him long you. Suppose you hold him wise talk Bamba him he stop look out good long you. Suppose you like him bamba you hold him you stop good all time. Wise talk and me number one something blong you cuss him. He no matter when him something where you got, but you must cuss him fasten blong look save meaning blong all something where you had. Suppose you like him wise talk bamba him is ever lift him up you. When name blong you, bamba you go on top. Suppose you hold him tight bamba him is ever make him all manly on a good long you. Now hem bamba you come also or good fella flower but all man only hang him long neck blong you, blong honor long you. Bamba him he come also one good fella something blong flash him head long you. Or some hat blong king where he sign. Pikinini blong me. Suppose you listen good long me, more you think heavy long or something when me stop tell him long you. Bamba you got long fella life. Me stop teaching you long all wise talk. Long all straight fasten where you must follow long life long you. Or suppose you stop follow wise talk Bamba you know got one something is have a block him you. Or suppose you races. Bamba you know save fall down. All time you must think about or something but you learn and finish. Or get all these stamba long life long you. But you must look out good long or get her. Bamba you know must follow road or man now good all he stop follow. But you know must take him fasten long or get her. You know follow road You go away long or something no good You leave him. You go long road long you no more. All man all sem. Suppose only no make him he no good, long nara fella man. By my long night, only no save sleep. Suppose only no spoil him nara fella man fast time. Bambai only go lay down long bed. But only no save sleep nothing. Fasten no good, maar fasten blong fight. En me all sem kakai mo water blong o geta. Rood wel all straight man, only start walk bout long hem. Fasten blong hem me all sem early morning. But he start broke daylight, where all time. Or something only stop come clear more. Go he daylight good, maar sun he come on top. The road blong on man no good, he too dark or get her. He awesome night. All time or get all he stop fall down. But he knows have look save or something, or he stumble along him. Pikinini blong me, you must listen good, long all something then me stop tell him long you. You must hear him all talk, blong me. You no must forget him or get her. All time you must hold him tight, long ting blong you. Man ways have a good old talk, and me got good fella life. But he knows have a sick. You must look out good, blong. Make him say all something where you stop think about all time, or he straight. From her life blong you, he stap so out ting ting blong you. Bamba, you know must give man, or you know must use him, or talk where he save lead him, money go wrong. All time, you must tell him, or to talk no more. Suppose you stop make him or sin. Bamba, you know got something blong make him you same. The face blong you, he go down from. You must look, he go straight no more, long road, ja, where you stop long him. But ting blong you, he must strong. You must make him good for a plan fast time, long or something where you want to make him. Now, or get a something, ja. Bamba, you'll save come out straight no more. Bamba, you know go close up, long or something no good. All time, you must walk about long straight road no more. And Bamba, you know make him want something nothing. Where you save take him out you long road, ja. Bij mi presmol na ja, long pitching blong, tok blong God. Papa God, we will tell him you thank you where you give him opportunity blong come long worship today. Thank you where you give him long die felle tok blong you. Maar to tok where die felle find him long op Proveb. Please give hand long mina ja, tami tell him out. Tok blong you long vast ja. Where he build him up, all man where you hire him, to where you bless him, me tami tell him out him. We ask him long name Jesus Christ, Master, my Savior, blong me fella. Amen. Oh brother, my sister, blong me. You, me, everyone, you got relationship with another fella man. Example, papa no mama. Toevallig he got relationship with the Pikinini blong toevallig. One man or woman, he got relationship with a friend blong al get. Sometimes relationship ja good. But another fella time, same relationship he no good. Or good small no more. Some man long you fella, he papa no mama. You me everyone, he Pikinini. You me son or daughter. Or get everyone by subtrusting Jesus Christ, Master blong you me. Or they believe long name blong him. Or I'll get a ja. God die stap give him right, blong kan Pikinini, blong God. Or some you may read him long John chapter 1. You me, way man blong Christ. You me must think heavy long or wise talk, blong or Proveb chapter 4. Talk blong Papa God. Be good blong teach him, you me wise talk ja. Blong Bamba, you me lift him up name blong him. Or blong make him, you me hire him good, blong thinking, blong you me. We got 3 points today. Number 1, point, papa mo mama, where he wise, or they teach him Pikinini blong ogeta. Pikinini where he wise, he kas him wise long papa mo mama blong ogeta. Or man where he wise, or he walk hard long kas him Christ. Number 1 point, papa mo mama where he wise, or they teach him Pikinini blong ogeta. Suppose you stop loving one man. You walk hard blong give him every something where you make him harm good. Just als een papa long heaven, and he give him all good for a present long Pikinini blong him. Allee, long zijn vassen, papa mo mama wel die stap loving Pikinini blong ogeta. Well, he want him give him long ogeta all good fella advice. Long make him rere ogeta long life blong ogeta. Long all Proveb chapter 3. You may look where present blong wise talk, he more good. Beat him maak blong kasam planti vatu. You may look too where planti save, he no foundation blong too wise. But too wise, he come too long one relationship where he so mad good. But Papa God, he stop inside long heart long you. From all too wise, he come long God no more. You fella he look. 2-3 times, long chapter 4, he talk about Pikinini blong me. And we saw him out where he best one, suppose parents, or he teach him wise long next generation. I papa mo mama no more. We best one, long teach him wise, long Pikinini long ogeta. Hem je nou one stand up long life, long parents, where you love him Pikinini long ogeta. Parents, where you wise. Ogeta oli vol hem rood long wise stok, long teach him all Pikinini long ogeta. Wise papa long chapter 4, met hem i Solomon. Hem I remember him training long wise where hem I receive him long papa long hem. Time hem I one small boy no more. So chapter 4 I one lesson with David, King David, and we teach him Solomon. We read him long chapter 4, verse 4, verse 9. Pikinini blong me, all something ja, we mistap talam long you. Bambai, you no must forget him or get us some time. All time you must think about or get her. Suppose you stop make him or something ja all time. Bambai, you got life. You must have some wise talk, or you must come where you save look save meaning blong or had something. You know must block him sorrow blong you, or you know must forget him or something, ja, and me stop tell him long you. Suppose you hold him wise talk, ja, Bambai, and me stop look out good long you. Suppose you like him Bambai, I hold him you stop good all time. Number 1, something blong wise talk all sim. You must cuss him wise talk. You no matter one him something where you got. But you must cuss him fasten. But ja, blong look save meaning, blong all something where you had. Suppose you like him wise talk, ja. Bambai hem I save lift him up you. By name blong you, Bambai you go on top. Suppose you hold him tight hem. Bambai hem I save make him all man, or he honor good long you. Now hem Bambai you come all same all good fella flower ja. All man all he hang him long neck blong you. Blong honor long you. Bambai hem I come all same one good fella something blong flash him head blong you. Or some heart blong king. Where he sign. Papa ja. Hem I use him stammen where papa blong hem. I saw him out long hem. Where he all sim. One papa. Hem I must teach him Pikinini blong hem. But vast hem blong teaching I come too long word, or too long example. Vast hem blong teaching I come too long word, or too long example. On verse 11 you may read him. Me stop teach him you, long all wise talk. But me stop lead him you, long all steadfasten. But you must follow him long life, long all get a word, more example. One time, one wise man had me tell him, suppose you talk long me, Bambai me forget him. Suppose you teach him me, might Bambai me remember him. But time, you me two fella, you work on one something together, Bambai me learn him good. Allee, you fella think about stamba blong wise, but Jesus he use him, blong training, disciple blong him. And we teach him all get her, maar hem is zo hem uit rood blong make him too. Dan Jesus he was hem leer blong disciple, he tell him, bear from where me master blong, me master mo teacher blong you fella, me must hem leer blong you fella too, you must was hem leer blong you fella. Me put him an example blong you fella. Blong Bamba you fella, is have him make him same fasten ja no more. When Mimi make him long you fella. Jesus, he put him an example, blong disciple, blong him. Blong show him out where he'll get all he must make him. He said, mark time, you want him teach him Pikinini blong you. He good small time, you tell him say, Karmi come. By him he ask him say, also one him. He more good, you show him out work ya fast time. Behind Pikinini ja, is have a good one and you want him. So he important to us, that papa use him word, more example, don't teach him wise talk. But teach him a student, or he need him one narrow something. To fella he need him one good fella relationship. To fella he must respect him to fella one. Now teacher is have to correct him something, the student he know work him good. Nor tell him good. No way no waes. Maar student die klaar blong listen long hem. Maar time student die make him sin, teacher ja, save him out, save so him out to talk blong God. Be long stamba blong al geta something, good for relationship, where you respect him to fellow one. So, no surprise, where you may find a plenty Proveb, where you saw him out with correction, he important long teach him good, more training very good. Long Proveb, long verse 11, verse 12, long chapter 3. You may read him, Pikinini blong me. Suppose I got him make him want something blong straight him you. But you must glad blong Karen. But you must save, for him he make him something ja blong wake him up you. All man, for him he love him will get her. All time, him he stop straight him will get her. Als hem papa is stop straight him, Pikinini blong hem, for he glad to mas long hem. Long chapter 22 you may read him. Suppose you teach him good Pikinini blong you, long fasten where he straight, blong hem he vol him. Dan hem he kan big man, dan bij he no save go way long hem. Long was ja, God nou mooi straight een man blong hem. He correct him, he punish him. Long hem come back, long road, blong God. Oh brother, my sister, you me Pikinini blong God. Oh papa God, and me one wise papa. Where he teach him you me true. Where he teach him you me too long talk long him. En me train him, must straight him you me. Long make him you me serum long taboe long him. Maar vast een long training long him, make him you me harm no good sometime. En me straight no more. From the training ja, bambai, is so not good for the fruit. Fruit blong him, he peace. More life where you straight good, long face blong God. Yes, good fellow fruit where you come out long hard time because the son him you me come. He life where he straight good. And he fruit from work blong God, long life blong you me. When you me cast in life all same time, you me stop trust him wise plan blong God, long hard time ja. Vast een jaar, he so out hard, maar ting where he wise. Or where you look strong, blong stop, blong road, blong wise talk, blong God. All man, where you stop learning fast and blong life where you taboo. Too long hold him tight, long hard time. Pain, sad time, sick, all narrow fella something, where you make a man harm no good. All man, ja, he no cross, from where God is son him or get a something, ja. No God. Or get a all he got peace, from where all is have a good. I'll get us something, ja. Ik come long wise, long Papa God. Psalm 119, he tell him long verse 67 or 68, before time you no punish me yet, me stop for him road where you no straight. But now ja, me stop obey long all talk long you. You good to us, you kind to us. Please you teach me long road long you. Allee, you fella think about parents blong you fella. O get all die teaching you fella true wise. You fella look with stamba blong life, maar talk to blong on get her. You saw not a good for the relationship with him God. You think all answer blong you, everyone, he different. For my parents blong you me, he no same mark. Je got some man, long place ja, where parents won't get he wise good. Je got some man where parents won't get he Christian. Je got another fella man where parents won't get he no believe. No might one long get believe no more. You me everyone you got parents, they'll get all he wise good sometime. Another fella time, all he wise small no more. But no matter. But papa and mama blong you fella, he wise, no God. You me everyone where you believe. You got one wise papa long heaven. Where you stop teach him all Pikinini blong him. Blong only cast him every good fella something, where all he need him. But from one end, he make him ja. brother my sister, long Jesus Christ. And we make him all sin, from where him we love him, you me. And we make him all sin, from where him we love him, you me. From where him we want him too much, long make him rare, you me, long life, long you me. So you me come along number 2 point. Hemi but Pikinini. Pikinini where he wise. He cousin wise long papa mo mama blong ogeta. O Pikinini where he wise. He cousin wise long papa mo mama blong ogeta. Wol mo man blong wol. Ogeta oli sing out plenty invitation long you me blong join him ogeta long life blong ogeta. For plenty time him he one invitation blong make him something where God he know like him. But you fella remember him time papa no mama he warn him you fella. Or send papa long chapter 4 long verse 14. Bamba you know must follow him road ja. La oma no goed al die stap volgen. You know must take him rabbi's vast and blong ogeta. You got plenty something long wall. Met die music, met die party, internet, different book, alcohol. But sometimes he good. But another fella time, same something, he lead him you long road where he no good. Long verse 1, or verse 10, or verse 20. Papa he sing out one invitation, long make him one and God he like him. Long verse 1, Pikinini blong me. Mini papa blong you. Well, you must listen good, long or something ja where me stop teaching you long hem. Long verse 10, Pikinini blong me. You must listen good long me. Well, you must think heavy long all something ja where me stop talam long you. And verse 20, back again, Pikinini blong me. You must listen good long all something ja where me stop talam long you. Papa I tell him long Pikinini blong him, allee, suppose you want him cousin wise. You must come blong cousin wise. You must come blong cousin wise. O Pikinini, best time long life blong you, blong cousin wise blong parents blong you, you'll send. The time where you stop long house, more family blong you. Deuteronomy 6 verse 7, he tell him, clear good long parents, all time. The fella he must teach him op Pikinini blong you fella long him, and me commandment blong God. Suppose you fella he stop long house, no you fella he stop walk out, no you fella he go blong sleep, no you fella he gear back again. You me have learn and plenty something long parents, more boo blong you me, then you me come big one. But long time ja, you me no look or get a plenty time no more. Best time you fella young fella. Time you look, parents bring you every day back again. So suppose man you want him cousin wise. Man ja, you must listen good. Or focus, long a word, long teacher, long or get. Suppose you want a cousin wise. You must accept him. When him teacher by where he wise good, he stop teaching long you. 2 times long chapter ja, Bible he sing out, where he good to us, where man he cousin wise talk. En je nou center long talk long all Proveb chapter 4. He good, you fella look out him strong, long cousin wise. Hard work long cousin wise, you'll some prize for your pen blong him. O Pikinini, listen good. Wise what papa and mama he teach him you, he free no more. He'll only glad long teach him you. You know need him pemo getter. I mean I want stand up long life. Pikinini way he wise. Because him wise long papa and mama blong getter. Remember him question? Long Solomon, where he asked him God after papa blong him, David he did. Please you give him wise long me. Long me sa we rule mo man blong you long steadvasten. Maar long me sa we make hem good. wanneer vassen niet stret, maar wanneer vassen niet no stret. Pikinini wae wise. Suppose I'll get only small, no big one. I'll get only stop glad long learning. Naar vallen vast blong Proveb back again. Chapter 13 verse 1. Pikinini wae wise. Kan papa blong hem he talk long hem, blong straight hem. And he stop listen good. But Pikinini wae strong head. Hem he no sabe tell him sometimes, say, Papa, me wrong. On chapter 15 verse 5. Pikinini kanki wae no listen long wanneer papa blong hem, he stop teaching long hem. But Pikinini wae helemaal talked ook wat papa blong hem, he tell him long hem, blong straight hem. Hem he wise. On chapter 13. Man wae save listen long advice. Hem he got head. Kassen hem? Man wae save listen long advice. Hem he got head. Allee, what's a man hem you? You glad long listen long advice? Chapter 18 verse 2 he tell him, man wae he no got head. Hem he no want him learn. Hem he no want him no more blong old man, ol he harm ting blong hem. Nou ja, check him ting blong you. You're right, suppose narafala man he teaching you. You ready? Blong accept him where elder blong church. Or get all he good enough blong teaching you. No narafala brother or sister where he stop blong Christ. Or get all he good enough blong teaching you. You ready blong listen good more thing heavy. Long narafala man where he teaching you long Bible. Blong give hand. Long you blong grow long save blong you. No tennis some ting blong you long want something. You ready blong accept him where you might you wrong long something? Church ja. Congregation long Vestwater. He save grow. He save grow no more. Suppose all man or woman long church. Or he work hard. But kwam leader long 1/2 long work long church. Might he small no more. Clean him floor. Might he big one. Might he naar a man where he come elder one time. A man all Sam. Man where he glad blong lead him something. And he must show him out good, one special something. And he must glad blong learn. Chapter 26 verse 12 he tell him, he more easy blong you learn a man where he no got head. He win him, but you learn a man where he think, say he wise. But he no wise nothing. He good, time you work hard, but you no come man or Sam. Man where he think, say he wise. But he no wise nothing. So he good where you listen good, more accept and wise talk long Papa God. But long old man, that God he teach him wise talk before. From where he give han good long you me, suppose you may accept and wise talk ja. Bamba you know got want something, but he's have a block him you. Bamba you know full him road ja, old man no good he stop full him. Bamba you stop full him road blong light. No go long road blong too dark. Think about. And you want good fellow teacher. Think about Jesus. And you want good fellow teacher. Talk blong hem he straight, maar example blong hem he clear. But even Jesus, but he straight Pikinini blong God. Was een man, hem he learn a meaning blong vasten ja blong obey long God. Long all something where all he make him, he hire him no good, long body blong him. Or get er something, ja, he saw him out with Jesus, he one man, where he glad blong learn. Look he tell him, start him time hem a young fella, Jesus he stop grew up more long body more wise blong hem too. Maar all time God die glad to mas long hem. Maar all man too, or die glad to mas long hem. Jesus, he got no one something where he wrong long him. No one something where he wrong long him. But yet he important where him he go long wise. So him he plenty more important where you me stop go long wise. You think he good? Where he got man where he teach him you wise. Yes? Allee, now listen good, moet ik heavy long number 3 point long you me. O man, where he wise, or he walk hard, long kassem kruis. O man, where he wise, or he walk hard, long kassem kruis. David, hem het iets in Pikinini, blong hem Solomon. David, he got plenty something where he wrong long him. One something, David, he got plenty woman. Solomon, he got plenty more woman. He got 1,000 women. What time Solomon, he all fella, all woman blong him. All he make Solomon, he let him God. But him he no stop full him God. Him he no stop whole him wise blong God, long hard blong him. Proveb 3, he teach him where he important to us, where hard blong you he healthy. More so me explain him long time yeah. He no talk about hard blong body blong you me no more. The heart where he center blong ting. More long feeling. More long spiritual life blong you me. Man, where heart blong hem he healthy. Hem he save good. Where hem he must kassem wise talk blong God. Blong stop good. Hem je nou important to mas. From the heart blong you me. He rule hem vast and blong life blong you me. From a all get a something where you me make him. He start long hard. Talk blong you me. So you must wise more they go long a rabbi's talk. Or get a something where you me look long him. I blong you. Or you must look he go straight no more long road where you stop long him. Direction blong life blong you. Think about road blong life where you use him, where you choose him. Road ja, you must stop safe, more straight. Now yeah, good, you fell ask him 1, 2, 3 question. Parents blong me. O get all die teaching me wise talk blong God. Too long word, more example. Me glad blong o get all die teaching me wise talk blong God. More me listen good long o get more long elder, more long naar a man toe. Me glad where God is treffen good me, blong me let go long road where he no good. O get all die hard question. More plenty time you me no like him too much. Time money ask him question ja long you me. Long chapter 3 you me look save by time you me pem tight long God. And you now mean him all time you me come rich man. Say Mark long all Proveb chapter 22 verse 6. Suppose you teach him good Pikinini blong you. Long vast en way stred blong hem he vollen. Time hem he come big man. Dan by you no save go way long him. Talk ja, he no promise finish, he no guarantee. But Pikinini ja, he can walk long blong God finish, long life blong him. Even training where he best man. He knows how to give him wise long man. He knows how to change some heart blong him. You think about some example with Pikinini no kassem wise. Might Pikinini blong you he ting where save blong him he good enough no more. I mean no need him save blong you. He true he got lace man where he come out long one good fella family. He true too where he got Pikinini where he spend him or get to something where parents blong him, he work hard blong kassen. He sat to mass bij toe sometime. Hij got Pikinini, hij laugh no good long parents long him. Hij no like him al get that to mass. No even when he sing a trouble blong al get her. He got Pikinini, where he steal money long parents. No tell him of fella mama, where widow, where we not have a stop long house blong him no more. No get a all example where you find them long or Proveb or narraflees long Bible too. Yes, he got parents where he fall blong al get her no more, where Pikinini blong al get her, he make him fast and no good. Belong en blong him, everyone. He guilty long sin blong him no more. Parents blong you, he no guilty long sin blong you. You no guilty long sin blong parents blong you. But parents he guilty where to fella, he no teach him good wise blong God long Pikinini blong to fella. But Pikinini he guilty blong no listen good long parents blong him. Or Proveb is so na two kind family. Family where Pikinini only make him parents long al get her him no good from where or get her only no God wise nothing. Mooi got family where Pikinini only wise. Or where al get her only one big fella blessing long parents long al get her. Two example no more long two side ja. Pikinini where he no got head. He zou weer spoilen papa blong hem. Pikinini werd vast blong hem die strijd. Papa blong hem is zou weer glad Thomas from. So family where you got Pikinini where you no got wise. You make him family ja you harm no good Thomas. Pikinini where you wise. Hem you make him family blong hem you harm good Thomas. Oh brother my sister blong me. Listen good. Blong the fella you know fall down now yeah. Sometime he got one family, more some Pikinini, or he no come long worship, or parents, more boo blong, or he harm no good. But him he no want something, well get all he must stop down from. Naar side, he got Pikinini blong, family, or he stop come long worship, more parents, more boo or he harm good. Family ja. He no must talk flas, for no Pikinini blong al get her, he come long worship. For me back again, long en blong hem he all sim. Man where he want him kassem wise, hem he must kassem Christ. Where he power blong God, no wise blong God. You me everyone must kassem Christ. From the time you me kassem Christ, time ja bamba you me save good. Well, get her wrong where you me make him. He fall blong you me no more. Suppose you me parents, no you me Pikinini. But you me learn him too. The success blong you me. He no walk blong you me no more. He walk blong Christ. He got one talk. They blong mouth blong Jesus. En we no tell him, he blong long mouth blong him no more. Nothing when me no God want something where he wrong with me. When me one quiet man more ting blong me he stop down. Jesus he man where he no God want something he wrong long him. En we no talk flas long him ja. You me everyone need him blong kassem wise, blong kassem Christ. God he offer him Christ long all man, where he glad blong turn him hard blong al get long Christ, more believe long him. Life long Christ he sas where he sas. But long man where he believe long him, Christ he free. Hem you now good news from you me, no got nothing blong ben price blong salvation. Message blong good news he all sim. Suppose you want him Christ. Hem he stop long place, ja. Hem he stop long good news. Will you read him? Save read him every day. Come now, long kasem Christ. Come now, long kasem Him. Oh, time you kasem Him. And He's saving you. Jesus Christ, He one Son, where He no got one something where He wrong with Him. Where He come long one Papa, where He no got one something where He wrong with Him. Hemmy, He never walk about road where He long man no good. And He never work on one rabbi something. All time, and He stop long road where He straight good, but where He sign. And we look at long all hard long Him He clean good. All time talk long Him He straight not true. All time focus long Him He stop long Papa long Him. Long obey Him no more. Al rood jaar, He go long cross long Calvary. And He glad long go long place ja, long let Him life long Him, long you me. And we make Him want something nothing. We have take Him out Him long rood ja. Long time we Him harm no good, long body mo ting long Him. From penalty long ook het sin long you me. Sin long op Parens, or sin long op Pikinini. Long time ja. Good fella relationship between stret Pikinini blong God. Or Papa blong Him. Where you stop. Long small time no more. Relationship ja, He broke. From one Him. Blong Bamba you me kasem Christ. But through long Him kasem waes blong God. Naar een felle kwast en bakken gaan. Also one Him you fella. Time you think about walk long Christ. Where you wise to mass. You make Him one Him. But you want Papa. No one Mama. No one Pikinini. Why you kasem wise? Where He's have lead Him you long Christ. Long save Him you. Amen. By me pray small. Papa God, we fella tell Him you thank you, long talk long you. Thank you where you want Papa, where He listen all way. Where He ready, long harm talk long we fella. Where He ready, long harm pray long we fella. Papa God, please give hand long me fella, when me fella He listen good, long talk long you. Obey long talk long you. Or walk out long road, where you is so out, long me fella, long talk long you. Me fella ask Him long name Jesus Christ, Master, my Savior long me fella. Amen.